today out here we are gonna show you guys what shutter speed is. Last week I did what aperture is, so today it's gonna be shutter speed. Stay tuned and I'll teach you bunch of stuff what you can do with shutter speed in this video. So what is shutter speed? Shutter speed is the time that you set the camera to have the shutter open. The longer it's exposed, the brighter your image is gonna get. That's very simple. The less you have it exposed, the less the image will get exposed. So now I'm going to teach you a couple of things what you can do with shutter speed. So I have my camera set up on 2 seconds of shutter speed, and I'm going to show an image right there after I took the picture so that you can see what shutter speed does on long shutter. So right now I'm just going to press this shutter speed. So it's on a timer so that you don't get any camera shake on, since it's on a tripod. Why I'm shouting is kind of this water is really loud and all that, so yeah. Okay, so I think it's gonna be done soon. So yeah, it's exposing it right now. Yeah, okay, just got exposed. Okay, there we go. So the image is just done. So I'll show you that image right now. That's a 2 second shot. So right now I'm gonna dial down the shutter speed, and I'll show you guys what stop motion looks like, which is 250 and up. So remember that. Stop motion can only come at 250 and up. If you do it less, you still get motion blur. So right now, I just took this picture at 500th of a second because I want to have it really stop. So I'll show you that right now, right there. It is a bit grainy because of the ISO, which I will get into the next video. My next video is going to be about ISO and everything you have to watch out about ISO and the benefits of ISO. So another cool thing is with shutter speed you can do is this. You only need 1/80th of a second, and is like let the water drip from your hands like this, and it's gonna catch it mid-moment. So it's gonna be really cool and all that. But if you have it at a long shutter speed and if you catch it just right, then you can also have a smooth line. So I'm gonna show you guys both of that, but I cannot record while doing that because I have no place to put this little tripod that I'm holding at. So I will have to take these pictures myself, and I'll tell you guys the process after this picture. So I just have my hand in the water and then come it out, so the water would leak from my hand. So just like this, I'll teach you really quickly how again. So I had my hand like this, and all I did was lift it up and then let the picture take it. So one was done at 1/80th of a second because I wanted to freeze that motion blur, of the water. And the other one was, let me see, I have this camera settings right here. The other one was at a 20th of a second, so it's pretty slow, so you cannot move your hand whatsoever. So you first lift up your hand and then you can take the shutter, then you can open up the shutter, so then it will take the perfect picture. So anyways, those are a couple of things you can do with shutter speed. You can also get lightning better. So for example, you might think that people take the picture very fast at lightning. They know exactly when lightning comes and all that, but that's all not true. They actually use long shutter speed. If they want to have a sky full of lightning bolts, they usually have it at like 30 seconds or something like that. While if they only want one, they usually do like 1 second or 2 seconds or whatever they want, So you kind of have to mess with the shutter speed a little bit to what you want. Shutter speed is a fun way to practice some other photography skills. So that was the video about shutter speed. Last week's video was about aperture, and next week's video is going to be about ISO. Don't miss it. So anyways, hope to see you guys there. And also, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys in the next video.